Jiefang J6P 4x2 tractor is Jiefang's main product of the J6P series. The Jiefang J6P 4x2 tractor is suitable for various application scenarios such as ports, bulk logistics, and express transport. It is equipped with Jiefang's 6-cylinder inline-alloy engine with a torque of up to 2,300 Nm and power output from 320 to 560 horsepower. For the drive axle, J6P uses Jiefang's most maturing 457 punching welding axle. The rear axle also introduces the extremely long oil cycle technology. Its oil interval can reach 100,000 kilometers. Other features include 12-speed automatic gear transmission, LED instrument, high roof cap, LED daytime running lights, and 500 plus 500-liter double fuel tanks.